welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain the continuation of coordinate geometry and the next topic inclination of a line. So do you know what is inclination? Inclination means like this. If there is a ramp like this by a car, we are moving like this. This is me inclining to a ramp like this. Okay, so like this in a coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, and a line inclined like this. This is a line L. If a line inclines like this, it makes an angle alpha. It makes an angle alpha, and this angle ranges to 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Okay, this is the range of this line. When this cuts this x-axis, the angle made is range this one only. Okay, the range of an angle when this line cuts the x-axis is this. Okay, this is the inclination of a line when a line cuts the x or y axis and the angle made by the line ranges to this one. Okay, when a line cuts the x-axis or y-axis, if I take like this, a line L or M, the angle made by this is alpha, and this alpha ranges to 0 to 180 degrees. Okay, and if I take an axis like this, y-axis and x-axis, this is a line which is coincided to x-axis, line L, then what is the angle? We can say either 0 degrees or 180 degrees. Okay, so this is the inclination of a line. And the next one, slope of a line. Slope of a line. And this is represented by M. Here, slope of a line means if I take coordinate axis like this, x and y, and this is point, and this is also a point A, and this is B. A is x1 comma y1 and B is x2 comma y2. And here join these two lines and like this the distance of y-axis and like this distance of x-axis. And here if I take this point as C, where the right angle triangle made 90 degrees, here this full length is x2 and this is x1 and it is x2 minus x1. The full length is y2 and this is y1 and this length is y2 minus y1, and this is the rate delta x is equal to x2 minus x1. Change in x-axis value and change in y-axis value, y2 minus y1. And here slope of a line means the ratio between the change in the y-axis value to change in the x-axis value. Delta y by delta x, which is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, and this slope m is also a value of tan of theta. Do you know tan? This is a trigonometric function, tan theta. Okay, so here by the values of theta, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, the slope varies. Okay, here tan 0 means 0, tan 30 means 1 by root 3, tan 45 means 1. There is a variation from 1 degree to 1 degree. If I take for example point A value 3, 4, point B value 6, 10. Okay, then the slope of this line m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is 10 minus 4 by 6 minus 3, which is equals to 6 by 3, which is equals to 2. This is the slope of a line. Okay, if they give degrees, theta value, we can find easily the slope with the tan theta. Okay, so this is the slope of a line. So here slope of a line is the ratio between change in y-axis value, change in x-axis value, which is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and slope of a line is also a trigonometric function tan theta. Okay, so this is the slope of a line. And the next one, collinear points. Collinear points. So here collinear points means, according to plane geometry, collinear points means if in a line 2 or 3 points are there, if they lie on the same line, those points are collinear. Okay, those points are said to be collinear. And if I take a line like this, line L, here point A, point B, point C. How to say these 3 points are collinear means AB plus BC is equal to AC. By this we can say the collinear points. These are collinear points if they give the lengths of these segments. Okay, and if we see collinear points, in these collinear points, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC is equal to slope of AC. This is one of the important points. If A, B, C are collinear points, then the slope of AB is equal to slope of BC is equal to slope of AC. The slopes are equal in these 3 points, at these 3 points. Okay, so this is collinear points. And if we say example, line M, A, B, C, AB is equal to 7 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters. If we see, if these 3 points are collinear, then the slope of AB. How to find slope of AB? You have to comment and the slope of BC and the slope of AC. Comment in the comment box. Okay. And if you see, if these 3 points are collinear, AB plus BC is equal to CA. Is equal to CA, and by this slope of AB is equal to tan of theta. Use these two formulas. Is equal to slope of BC is equal to slope of PAC. Okay. And this is the today topic. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.